Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the TV supports Android TV or a Google-enabled build. That determines whether Google apps appear. Once connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, go to Settings and sign into your Google account so the Play Store and Google services can surface. Make sure system software is up to date before searching. This step unlocks app discovery. If your TV uses Patch Wall, you still need a Google login to install apps from Play Store or sideload alternatives. You now navigate the home screen or apps list to find the Play Store. This is the canonical place to find Google apps. Use the remote search or on-screen keyboard and type Google or Chrome to locate listings. If Play Store is missing, inspect system security to enable app installation or prepare a USB with the Google APK. Sideloading is a fallback when the device firmware omits Play Store. Take care. Sideloading requires unknown sources and the correct APK architecture. You finish by installing Google Apps from the Play Store or the sideloaded APK, then open the app and sign in to verify functionality. Perform a quick search or load a web page in Chrome to confirm. If installation fails, reboot the TV and retry, then check your network and Google account status. As a controlled last resort, perform a factory reset to clear firmware conflicts. Only do that after backing up settings, because it erases local data and may require reconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.